Today we listen a memorable tale about friendship with delightful characters like Paw Paw the bear, Dillard the dog, Willard the whistle. And the name of the story is The Way of the Woods. Many years ago, deep in the Northwoods lived a great bear named Paw Paw. He was the strongest and bravest bear alive and respected by all the forest creatures. One day, all the animals gathered together to discuss some changes in the woods. A new animal that walked on two legs and was covered in strange fur was making its home nearby. They needed a leader and could think of no one better than Paw Paw. They all marched to Paw Paw's cave and asked if he would be the king of the forest. Papa was thrilled, and even though he didn't know what being a king was all about, he gladly accepted. Papa then said, I will need some helpers, and I want Crowley and Willard Whistle to be my advisors. Well, Crowley and Willard were honored, and both agreed to work with King Paw Paw. One day, Slither the snake visited King Paw Paw and told him of a strange animal he saw close by. Pawpaw asked, Where did you see this animal? Slither replied, It lives with the strange two-legged creature at the edge of our woods. Pawpaw thought for a moment and said, Willard and Crowley go to the edge of the woods and see what this animal is. Within moments, his two helpers were on their way. Some time later, Willard and Crowley returned and excitedly told King Pawpaw that there was indeed a strange animal at the edge of the woods. It was small, maybe the size of Bobby Beaver, and it had a strange barking voice instead of a yelp or a howl. All three sat for a long time, thinking about the strange newcomer that lived so close to their woods. Finally, King Pawpaw said, We must go and meet this animal. All three got up and left King Pawpaw's cave. In a short while, they were at the edge of the woods watching the strange animal. King Pawpaw said, Willard, go to the animal and asked what he is and why there is a rope tied around his neck. Without hesitation, Willard scampered across the field and hid behind some piled wood close to the strange animal. Psst, said Willard. The strange animal looked around. Psst, I am over here, behind the woodpile, Willard said in a louder voice. The strange animal stretched the rope as far as it would go, but not being able to see who was speaking. Please come out so that I can see you. My master isn't around. Willard came out slowly from behind the woodpile and cautiously approached the strange animal. What type of animal are you? Asked Willard. I am a dog and my name is Dillard, he replied. And what are you? He then asked. Me, I am Willard, the whistle representing King Pawpaw, ruler of the forest. Why are you bound to that stake in the ground? Asked Willard. My master keeps me tied, so I cannot go into the woods, replied Dillard. No animal should be tied, Willard shouted. I shall bite through the rope to set you free. You can then come into the woods and live with me.